To resolve the error code 1.003 in a Canon printer, which indicates a paper feed issue, it is essential to understand the possible causes. The error can occur if the paper has not been loaded, or if it has been loaded incorrectly, or if a piece of paper is stuck inside the printer. To fix the issue, start by checking the paper. Ensure the cassette has paper. It is loaded correctly with the printable side facing down, and the arrows are aligned with the printer's markings. Remove any excess paper from the cassette and inspect the loading to confirm the papers are straight and not at an angle. Next, check the printer itself by turning it off and unplugging it. Then carefully open the paper tray to check for any jammed paper. Gently remove any jammed paper without tearing it, and check for any leftover pieces in the tray. Once complete, close the tray and door securely, and the error should be resolved.